This is about our politics and our politicians. You've been knowing me since you were a delegate or a representative in Annapolis. I watched your career grow, and it grew on the back of the black community. You feel me? Racism don't work without black cooperation. You talk about the new face of old Jim Crow when Michelle Alexander wrote the book, the documentary about the 13th Amendment. Well, I gave you Baltimore's 13th Amendment. I am Dred Scott, and I gave it to you in 2010. Where were you at in 2010? All right? You say you got 24 jurisdictions that are proving you as a delegate. It's proving you as Senator Cardin's replacement. Well, if you're going to replace Senator Cardin, you got to address this. You see that? That's Dutch Rubersberger, Senator Cardin's. It's about filming a documentary about race and racism, and that's from 2009. That's from 2014, Dwayne G. Davis. False imprisonment, police brutality, judiciary fraud, prisoner's right advocate. Follow up to a federal investigation, all right, about abuses of power in public and elected officials. That's Kweisi and Mfume. That's 2014. That's Congressman Cummings' office. So Kweisi and Mfume, I asked to testifying from the House Judiciary Committee. The House Judiciary Committee. So you see where we're going with this? This is Baltimore County. I never got a trial. Baltimore County Police Department. That's the case number right there. I never got a trial. Y'all protecting Jim Crow justice in Baltimore County. And that's Harry Spikes the second. 100 Park Avenue. You feel me? And that's certified. That's notarized. That's in a court of law. So if you want to investigate, you need to take that case number down. Baltimore County Police Department. I never got a trial. Like I said, that's Kweisi and Mfume. And that's Vanessa. Social media for social change. And y'all like to be on social media a lot. Y'all like to be on social media a lot. Hometown hero. Well, so am I. Shorty, pull your mask up. The health department used my name and likeness, or used my name to promote a product that I didn't endorse. Shorty, pull your mask up. Y'all got to pay me for that. I'm a copywritten criminal. And these are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. That's Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Sauter. All right? And that's me and George Clinton, Parliament Funkadelic. And that's me at the Maryland School of Law. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I ain't a jailhouse snitch. And I blew the whistle on the courts. City, county, state, and federal levels. Right here. All videos and legal materials submitted to all three judges concerning Dwayne G. Davis. Transcripts to be submitted to the Department of Justice. And that's the States Attorney's Office. They got that. So the States Attorney been using their office to protect the corruption in Baltimore City. We talking about the 13th Amendment. The 13th Amendment. The 13th Amendment under the Constitution. We talking about Theroux. We talking about Tony Bridges. You feel me? We talking about Steny Hoyer and our Constitution. We talking about our elected officials. City, county, state, and federal levels. Remember that. And that's Kweisi and Mfume and Delegate Smith. That's Westmore. That's out for Get Out the Vote, Dwayne Shorty Davis. I got an award for that, a certificate for getting Exfelons registered to vote and getting out to vote. Exfelons got a right to vote. That's Nicole Mundell, director. All right? I do a lot in the community. And Westmore, you said you want to talk to me. You ain't talked to me yet. Like I said, that's Kweisi and Mfume. And these are the cases. See the date? That's the State's Attorney's Office. We got violations, city, county, state, and federal levels. Illinois and Maryland. I was a lab rat to expose the corruption in your prison industry. The money you make off black bodies. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you made our kids and our community the cash crop. You took an oath to defend the Constitution and the people of the United States. This is the 13th Amendment. And this is Exhibit 4 for Delegate for Alsobrooks. Since she running for this office, you see that? 119050 Falls Road, Exhibit 4. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. Hometown hero. You running for Senator Ben Cardin's job. Are you going to represent black people? Are you going to protect the corruption in the machine? Because Ben Cardin's didn't do nothing since 2007. It's 2023. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Here go my paperwork. And Mayor Brandon Scott got my paperwork. You got to answer that paperwork. That's Kweisi and Mfume, out for justice. You feel me? I put it in a book all about Baltimore. I am hip hop. That's Chuck D from Public Enemy. And that's my whistleblower. My whistleblower's application that y'all got. Fox 45, Governor Westmore. You feel me? I can't breathe. And that's the Public Defender's Office. That's the Public Defender's Office in 2022. Got Baltimore rewired, the money behind the machine. Devin Allen's got a beautiful ghetto. You feel me? Devin Allen's got a beautiful ghetto. And you talking about they killed Freddie Gray? Well, I'm going to show you why they killed Freddie Gray. I'm going to show you why they killed Freddie Gray. Freddie Gray was killed because of reckless eyeballing. He looked at an officer in his eye and he pissed that officer off. And he couldn't do that in front of all those black people. So you killed Freddie Gray. Same way you killed Emmett Till when he whistled at that white woman. Y'all killed Freddie Gray. You killed black people in America indiscriminately. And our black leadership is silent. So if you're running for office in 2023 and you want to represent us, you got to see me. You got to see me. And you done seen me already. I'm about that life.